in second. Gonna pull off. I think that's, I don't know how many laps it is, I lost track. Alright, now we're at 3, I guess. Alright. Alright, should be 1 to go when McGibbon crosses the line. Alright, 1 to go. White flag out for McGibbon. The 15A gonna try and make a move here in this last lap. Gets him a little, oh, I thought he was gonna give him a bump.